namon guys oh. We were stranded here. Hey guys. So time check, it's already 8:30 in the morning. Breakfast and we're here sa may Dumaguete or Port of Dumaguete and we're just waiting for our boarding. 10 o'clock this morning via Montenegro Lines and chill for a while and then prepare because in a few hours we'll go to, it's our first time to visit Siquijor. Correct. Alam mo po you guys, so straight from Bacolod City, our bus and my baby. Aring among pinanser. Aramon spokesperson guys oh. Bago ako.
Ambassador.
The ambassador of Dumaguete. Ari timbang guys oh.
Dan.
And my baby. Para na magsig-flex sa mga outfit. Macy nga na nago ka Macy. Macy, show your outfit. Wala tawa ko. Ayaw mo na oh. Imo outfit.
Surprise.
Ari balawa kwan gini ho. Ari ho. Uy marao to hindi ka mahadto.
Tatoy nasa likod.
Pak. Pak bonyag. Pak kasal. Grabe ang outfit. Ay, Diyos ko. So, yan na ba yun mo? Muna na.